Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Nerf Nerd. Today, we're going to be working again on our Scratch tutorial. We're getting kind of close to the finishing touches of our level, so hopefully, this is going to be the last episode of this. First things first, we have a bunch of new stuff that I kind of added since last time. First of all of these, I don't believe we're in the last episode of this or video of this. So those are going to be doing a cool dripping effect. So what's going to happen is every time something happens in the song or during the first parts of the song, it's going to have a repetitive background part that starts off the whole song. And every time a note is played, one of or two of these will be dropped in a specific order. So I'm gonna try and get that working really quickly. So after several minutes of perilous work, we have this, and of course it's gonna load, and then this happens. And then that just kind of repeats a few times. So yeah, this is basically the level for right now. I gave the controller is what this guy is called. Cool animation at the beginning where he closes his jaw and then disappears to control things from the background. And he's called the controller for the reason that yes, he literally controls everything in this entire level. He broadcasts all the signals for what happens. So yeah, that's what we have thus far. Now I'm gonna work on some other parts. So I now have these side things over here. These, and after a bit of time, eventually they will come out of the sides and just shoot across the screen very slowly. This does. There we go. That's one. So that happens. It's a fairly slow process. And I kind of messed that up. um, yeah, so I guess for right now, that is going to be all. Um, don't really have too much else planned for this. Kind of on a bit of a time crunch right now. uh, yeah, so I guess this is all I'm going to be doing for today. Sorry, this was a kind of short video and I didn't get too much done, but it took way too long for what I actually needed to do, and well, I have things I have to do today, so I can't spend all my time recording. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or else strong PayPay will smash you. See you in the next video. Bye.